To create a book cover, very easy. Where do we create? Where are we creating our book cover? Through what? Canva. So we go to Canva. Can you please sit down now? We go to Canva. When we get to Canva, we are going to click on the word create a design. You know, every time we want to create anything, where do we go to? We go to the word create a design. So where is create a design? Create a design is up here. I click on the word create a design. Most books that we create or that we use in the classroom, most of them are in form of A4 documents. So we are going to use the word A4 document. So A4 document is loading. So this is my A4 document. Remember, we have all the tabs. Everywhere we are going to design everything, elements, upload, and all the rest, they are all by our left side to use. And we have templates. Don't use any template at all. We are creating from scratch. So where will I go to? The first thing, let me click on my wall, which is my background. I'm going to look for the first thing we think about the title of the book. So for me, I am creating a book called The Dog. The Dog is the name of the book. So the first thing I will need to do, let me first write the title. I'll go to text and I will go to add heading. Then I will add the words the dog. That is the title of my book. And nobody is using this title again except me. Okay. Then the next thing, I will change the font of my dog. That's what the dog. Where do we change fonts? Up over here. That is where you change fonts. So the font there, I will click on it and use anyone that is more interesting than this one over here. Remember, we can also click on these three dots over here and you will see the word effects. You know, I taught you how to use effects. Effects. Then this is effect over here. Effects. And I like to use shadow effect. Then I will increase the blur, I will increase the transparency. Then maybe later I will talk about whether it is going to be black or any of those things. Then let me move to the next thing. I will click on the white space. Then I will now add background. What kind of background do I need to add? I don't want to add color background. If you know, over here you can find color, you can find background. There's a word background over here. So this is background. Then when I click on background, I will look for a background that can suit my work. Maybe something like this. Okay. Then after that, I will go to elements and search the word dog. The expression of your dog matters a lot. So my own dog is standing. Then after this, I will now think about something else to make my work interesting. Everything I add to my work over here, you must add it to your work. I'm going to search the word shapes. Shapes. When I get to shapes, I will scroll down and I'm looking for a kind of a frame to add to my design so that my design will do. At least you must use more than just background, the title, the picture of the dog and your name. There must be more. So I'm adding more. That's what I'm doing right now. We are still writing the name of the author. Let me make this black. Okay. Then after this, let me go back to element and search the word grass. At least the dog should be standing on something. So
Why you not using Canva?
Can't you see that it's Canva Pro that is there?
Yes. Canva Pro.
Okay, so I've added the grass. Let me look for more grass to make it more interesting. Maybe the dog will be standing on this. Now you can see that this is actually at the front of the dog, so I will need to send it backward. I taught you how to send it backward. How do we send it backward? 3 dots. What will I press? Position. Then I press what? Backward. Thank you. For the first time, you impressed me. Okay. The next thing, I'm still looking for more grass. Okay. This is going to be nice so that the dog will have somewhere to be playing. So this we also need a kind of backward again position.
So you don't need to turn it backwards.
Maybe let me let this go forward, backward,
So it's okay like that.
or delete, back. Okay, then I move more. I think I need some activity around my dog. Dog house. Let me start the word dog house. Dog. Okay. Okay. So my dog, I'm looking for a very fancy house. This. The way it's positioned, Abby. Okay. Now let me first position it backward. Now you will observe that this dog house needs a lot of grasses so that it will look as if it's staying on it's floating. You observe that. Okay, good. Okay. Then let me look for grasses then. Grass that I will use to engage the house. And you can see that this actually looks very simple. If you don't do this, it was showing what? I'm not sure. They are not using Canva. I will show you why create a design is needed. I will show you. There's a plus button. No, there's a plus button. The plus button below. Okay, I will show you. If I slant, if you are using your phone in landscape like this, you should not bring a plus button. If you are using it in portrait, you should bring this portrait. You see the plus button. Grasses. Hey, that's exactly it. It's close. The title of my book is what?
The
author and illustrator. Okay. So by Odetola Iben. So how will I position my name in such a way that it will be attractive to the viewers? Then I will change the font. As simple as ABC. Abi? Good. So this is my book. Title the what?
The door.
Huh?
The door.
I'm not sure. Or let's go on google.com and type and check a book title. Title the dog. Let's see. Any book title the dog. No book title the dog, so I'm the owner of that book for now. So you can see over here. Look at books that are titled dogs. Look at the way they use their own. You know, very interesting. You can use a blurry. You know, you can blur a background. I'll teach you that later. Check out this also. This is not also bad at all. I like this. The dog. Maybe the dog can be with friend. You understand? So I think for my own, what's it called? Let me just add the dog and the friend. I should use the cartoonish one. I can. Let me do this. Look at dogs.
These two are the same dogs, but they are in different positions.
In different position, you understand? Is it your book? Is it not my book? My book. So this is my book. How do I save? Please look up the last thing. How do I save? To save my book, I'll click on. Remember, you are sending it to me. Look up. I'll click on the button over here. Then you will see the word download. What do we download as? We download mostly as PNG. So when you download it as PNG, send it to your teacher or you send it to my mail. To my mail, benlowski@gmail.com. I'll write it on your board in the classroom as we are going. Now, as we are done with this now in terms of digital, can you please think about what you want to create? What you want to create on Canva? Can you please do that right now in the book at the front of you? We have pastel. Let's start that now. Pastel.